Congress has submitted a notice opposing the One Nation, One Poll bill. The Congress party submitted is all set to submit a notice in the Parliament opposing the One Nation, One Poll bill. The Secretary General of Lok Sabha, Manish Tiwari, has said that he will give notice of his intention to oppose the introduction of the Constitution 29th Bill 2024 under Rule 72 on certain grounds. He said that his objections to the proposed bill are as follows. First is the violation of constitutional principles as per Article 1. He said that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states, affirming its federal character. And he said that this directly challenges the federal framework. The One Nation, One Poll bill directly challenges the federal framework by imposing uniformity across states. The Congress party has submitted a notice opposing One Nation, One Poll bill. We're also being joined by my colleague Samiksha from the newsroom to get us more on the story. Samiksha, before that, we also have Aishwarya Kapoor who will tell us about the happening. Aishwarya, tell us more. The Congress party has surfaced its rejection against the One Nation, One Election bill. Tell us more.
Well, absolutely. And yesterday it was Republic which broke the news that it is today that the Law Minister is going to table One Nation, One Poll in Lok Sabha. Prior to that, Congress basically understanding that point, and Manish Tiwari, senior leader of the Congress party, former cabinet minister, former information and broadcasting minister, bringing in a notice against One Nation, One Poll, very clearly mentioning in that bill that how he feels that not at one but at multiple points it is against the Constitution. He says at point number 1 that it is violation of constitutional principles, Article 1 of the Constitution, which establishes that India is Bharat, shall be a union of states, affirming its federal character. So it states that One Nation, One Poll will take on the federal character of India. Point number 2, which has been mentioned, is that the impact on basic structure of the Constitution, that is federalism. And point number 3 is undermining the state governments. So very clearly what Congress party is saying, that it is going to be against the One Nation, One Poll stand and the bill of the government, which has been cleared by the Modi cabinet around a fortnight ago and is all set to be brought in by the Law Minister in Lok Sabha today itself.
Right, Aishwarya. Thank you so much. Stay with us on the story. We're also being joined by my colleague Samiksha, live from the newsroom. Samiksha, tell us more about this bill. Tell us a little more. They've said that this also challenges the pluralism that the Constitution promises to Indians and different states in India, and it also challenges the federal structure of the country. So tell us more about this.
Well, that's right, Gesu. And, not surprising that the Congress is objecting to the introduction of One Nation, One Poll. But that being said, it's important to highlight that the bill has been extensively worked upon by a panel that was spearheaded by the former president of the country, Ram Nath Kovind. Now, just to take you through the excerpts from this notice that's been submitted by Congress MP Manish Tiwari, opposing the introduction of One Nation, One Poll, primarily making that argument that One Nation, One Poll is against the very structure of the Constitution. So these are the 3 points that the Congress MP has made in this notice that's been submitted in the Lok Sabha, in which he says that One Nation, One Poll is violation of constitutional principles, Article 1 of the Constitution that establishes that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states, affirming the federal character. So Congress saying that it goes against the very principles of the Constitution. The second point that the Congress MP has made is that it impacts the basic structure of the Constitution. Again, a continuation of the same argument made by the Congress. And lastly, the point that the Congress has made is that the One Nation, One Poll which goes against the state governments, the powers of the state government as well. So three-pronged argument that have been made by the Congress MP in the Lok Sabha.